Hi guys, it's just me. Bethany is crashed out on my living room floor. So fun. um, I just want to say that today was a good day. Um, Even though we have like 23 views on our videos, it's nothing much, but it is something. And we're very glad that we have those views because I guess we kind of accomplished something. I mean, I don't know. But, um, Paul Zimmer followed us, followed our Twitter account, and yeah, we do have a Twitter account now. It's called Swaft LOL. Um, for those of you who want to follow please, because it'd be like awesome. We have like 30 followers now, I think, which is really cool because we just got our Twitter today, and yeah, um, we were on um You Now, and Danny Edge said he loved me, which it was made me very, very happy. I love him too. He's very hot. And I just want to say that it was really cool to um, get that experience because, yeah. And so now Paul Zimmer and Danny Edge are following me from the band Exclamation Point, which is really cool. And I think they're both following Bethany that's snoring if you can't hear her. This is embarrassing for her, but I'm still gonna upload it. Um, Today we tried to do a twit cam. Um, that twit cam was pretty much a fail. We didn't know what we were doing. We just talked about whatever. Um, I don't know. Um, can you guys please leave comments or whatever you guys would like to leave us? What we need to work on better, anything. Um, except for hate because hate's fucking gay and needs to die. But whatever. Um, well, I would have to say just like dares, anything that would make our videos better. Tomorrow we're gonna do a Live While We're Young video, which should be very fun. Um, well, again, we love One Direction, Janoskians, Justin Bieber. I'm the biggest Justin Bieber fan here. She really doesn't like him. She does like him, but she's not as big a fan as I am. Um, I am kind of boring right now because I'm tired and Bethany's zonked out snoring next to me. And, you know, so today we were in Walmart and there was this guy and he looked like he was gonna shoot up the place. And me and Bethany flipped out. It wasn't good. It just happened to be a little insane, I'd have to say. Because it was kind of like a movie. It was, wow. Um, I'm trying to make this quick because I know that um, I'm really tired and I'm pretty sure you guys probably don't want to watch a 20-minute video. But, um, I don't know. Um, we tried to make a Facebook, but it didn't turn out as good as we planned. So, don't try to look it up because you won't find it. We really want the Janoskins to look at our Set This World on Fire video because that would be totally legit. But, not so much. Today, we've been trying and trying and trying to get them to notice us, but still nothing. Same with One Direction, but I guess you gotta keep trying harder. Um, I'm sorry I'm being really boring, but, um, that's about all I have to say. I love you guys, and thank you for the follows on Twitter, and thank you for the subscriptions. Wait, one subscription, and, all the views, I should say. Um, just thank you. We've only been on here for 2 days, and we know that it's interesting for you to see everything and whatnot, but I love you and thank you very, very much. I'm really boring and I'm super sorry about it. Um, we might be doing a twit camp tomorrow if I talk Bethany into it. Um, maybe I can like upload it. Depends though. I'm not sure. But just look us up on Twitter. We're the Swapped LOL. Just hit us up, LOL. Well, um, um, I'm gonna tweet right now, and then I think I'm going to hit the hay because I'm pretty tired. And if Luke Brooke ever watches this, I love you so much. And you, Harry Styles, are my husband, and we are gonna get married. If we don't, I'm gonna make you remember me somehow, some way, some will. Okay, love you guys. Bye bye.